Tired of losing important text when copying? Introducing CopyMore. Say goodbye to the frustration of lost clips. With CopyMore, you can keep every snippet you copy organized and ready for use. Imagine you're working on an important project, gathering information from various sources. You copy a crucial paragraph from a web page, but when you copy something new, your previous text is gone, overwritten without a trace. Frustrating, right? Losing valuable information just because you needed something else. What if there was a way to copy multiple items at once? That's where we come in. With CopyMore, every piece of text you copy is saved and organized all in one place. With one click, it gives you instant access to your copied data, lets you make changes, and add your personal notes. Trying to get started, visit the Chrome Web Store and search for CopyMore. Click Add to Chrome, and don't forget to pin the extension to your toolbar for easy access. Now you're all set.